Are you ready for the data center tsunami? McKinsey predicts a tripling of global demand by 2030. That's not just growth, it's an explosion. But here's the kicker. Most existing networks can't handle it. This creates a massive opportunity, but also a terrifying challenge. Are we building fast enough, or are we setting ourselves up for a digital bottleneck? This isn't just about tech. It's about the future of our entire economy. The stakes are incredibly high, and the clock is ticking. Enter Windstream Wholesale, positioning themselves as a key player in this high-stakes game. Joe Scatareggia, their president, says the demand for high-capacity fiber networks is rapidly increasing. He's not kidding. Hyperscalers are strategically picking locations for massive new data centers. Windstream is betting big on technology leadership, pushing capacity upgrades to supercharge AI networking and content delivery. They're not just keeping up, they're trying to leap ahead. But can they deliver on this promise? Or will they be overwhelmed by the sheer scale of the demand? Their success hinges on their ability to execute flawlessly in this incredibly competitive market. Windstream recently completed a transatlantic trial of 800 GB technology connecting Chicago and London. That's insane speed. They're planning to offer 800G commercially this year. This is a game changer because it significantly increases the capacity of their network, allowing them to handle the massive data loads required by AI applications. This is a technical marvel, but the question remains, can they scale this technology effectively and affordably? And will their customers be ready to utilize such high bandwidth? Or will it be a case of building a superhighway with only a few cars on it? Momentum is building on 400G. Last September, Windstream's 400G sales outpaced 100G. This shows a clear shift towards higher bandwidth solutions. They anticipate a gradual transition towards 800G in the coming years. This isn't just about speed, it's about efficiency. Higher bandwidth means lower latency, faster data processing, and ultimately, a better user experience. But the transition won't be easy. Companies need to upgrade their infrastructure, retrain their staff, and adapt their workflows. The risk of falling behind for those that hesitate is very real. The future belongs to those who embrace these technologies now. Windstream is also developing its iConnect self-service portal. This platform allows customers to get quotes, streamline service delivery, monitor performance analytics, and plan routes all in one place. This is about empowering customers, giving them more control over their networks. It's also about efficiency for Windstream, automating tasks and reducing operational costs. But the success of iConnect depends on user adoption. Is it intuitive enough? Does it provide real value? If customers don't embrace it, it's just another piece of software gathering dust. Big news. Windstream is merging with real estate investment trust Unity. This will integrate Windstream's fiber-to-the-home business with Unity's national wholesale fiber network. John Nishimoto, Senior Vice President at Windstream Wholesale, says they have complementary networks and a similar culture. This is a huge strategic move, expanding their reach and bolstering infrastructure in areas experiencing significant AI growth. But mergers are always risky. Can they integrate smoothly? Will there be culture clashes? The potential rewards are enormous, but so are the challenges. Windstream Wholesale's strategy focuses on three key pillars: technology leadership, network expansion, and flexible partnerships. They're expanding high-count fiber infrastructure and forming alliances to boost the rollout of dark fiber. They're also providing network intelligence tools and real-time operational statistics for partners. This isn't just about building networks, it's about building ecosystems. They want to be more than just a provider. They want to be a trusted partner. But trust is earned, not given. They need to prove their value, time and time again. The shape of core networks is changing due to the evolving demands of AI. The locations of core AI campuses are shifting. Windstream believes they're well-positioned to provide connectivity where significant growth is taking place. They see themselves as a trusted partner, leveraging AI to drive tomorrow's connectivity through expert guidance and a fast and flexible approach. This adaptability is absolutely crucial. AI is a moving target, and companies need to be agile to keep up. Windstream's long-term success depends on their ability to anticipate and adapt to these changes. Hold on tight. While some companies are expanding, the tech industry is also facing a wave of layoffs. 2024 saw nearly 281,000 jobs lost globally, and the trend is continuing into 2025. Meta, STMicro, Microsoft, and Amazon have already announced significant job cuts. This is driven by economic uncertainty, declining revenues, and shifting market conditions. Companies that expanded rapidly during the pandemic are now recalibrating, focusing on profitability over aggressive growth. This is a sobering reminder that even in the booming AI sector, nothing is guaranteed. The pressure to innovate and adapt is relentless. The layoffs are being driven by a slowdown in consumer demand, rising operational costs, and a shift in corporate strategies. Companies are focusing on profitability over aggressive growth. Salesforce, Blue Origin, and other high-profile companies have also been impacted. This isn't just about individual companies. It's a systemic shift. The era of easy money is over, and companies are being forced to make tough choices. The consequences for workers are devastating, but the long-term impact on the industry is still unknown. Let's talk about regulation. The UK is taking a unique approach to regulating AI. Initially favoring a principles-based framework with sector-specific regulators, they're now considering binding measures on AI developers. This is a significant shift from their previous agile and non-binding approach. The government plans to establish appropriate legislation to place requirements on those working to develop the most powerful AI models. This is a delicate balancing act between fostering innovation and ensuring ethical development. The stakes are incredibly high, and the UK's approach could set a precedent for the rest of the world. The UK government has launched an AI safety platform to help businesses evaluate and mitigate risks associated with AI. They're also forging international partnerships to enhance collaborative research and develop standards in AI safety. This is about building trust in AI, ensuring that it's developed and used responsibly. But regulation can stifle innovation. The UK needs to find the right balance, or risk falling behind in the global AI race. The eyes of the world are on them. The UK Labour government has launched a detailed AI action plan, aiming to boost economic efficiency and growth. This includes dedicated AI growth zones, new infrastructure, and a national data library. This is a bold vision, but it requires significant investment and coordination. The plan is ambitious, but the challenges are immense. Can they deliver on their promises, or will it be just another set of empty promises? The future of the UK economy could depend on it. The UK's regulatory landscape is still evolving. Regulators like the FCA, ICO, CMA, and Ofcom are developing their own strategic approaches to AI. This patchwork approach can be confusing for businesses, but it also allows for flexibility and experimentation. The key is to find the right balance between regulation and innovation. Too much regulation can stifle growth, while too little can lead to ethical and societal risks. The UK is navigating uncharted waters, and the path forward is unclear. So what's the bottom line? The AI revolution is happening now. Data center demands are exploding, technology is advancing at breakneck speed, and the regulatory landscape is shifting. Companies need to adapt or fall behind. This means investing in infrastructure, embracing new technologies, and staying informed about regulatory changes. The future belongs to those who are willing to take risks and embrace the unknown. Don't be left behind. What are your thoughts on this? Share your opinions and experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of AI.